what's up? It's your boy Kevin. As I said, as I promised you last week, that I'm gonna give you another analytic on a pair that I love, GU. So guys, let me not waste your time. I'm actually doing something else here, so I just thought of doing this first, and then I go out into my day. So guys, every time when I analyze my charts, every time when I go about my charts, I always start from a bigger time frame point of view. That's my top-down analysis approach on the markets. And when I see my charts, when I view my time frame, I always, especially the bigger time frame, I always zoom in so that I can see the most recent data. Once I do that, I ask myself a question, two questions in particular. I ask myself, where has price come from, and where is price now, and then what does that mean to me? That's how I created bias, guys. So as I mentioned on my previous video, I use the BTMM, I use ICT, I use market structure in fusion, in confluence with each other. That's how I basically trade, guys. That's my strategy. But nonetheless, let's just get to it. So when I open a chart, I ask myself, I always identify peak formations. What do I mean by peak formations? I mean swing highs and swing lows. I mean these things right here. These, you know. I can get a sense of where price is going short term and where price is headed long term. I don't know if you understand that. So for example here, we found a peak formation high, our swing high, and price immediately pushed to the downside, breaking some bits of market structure, indicating bearishness in the market. Price came down, up, retraced back up and into our moving averages, pinned the EMAs, giving us a level 1 consolidation and a level 1 drop. So right now we are expecting a level 2 consolidation and a level 2 drop. Well, in a clear downtrend on the daily time frame, that's very clear for anyone, but that's just how I see it. It's now easy like that for me to identify where we are in price and how to trade. So basically we're done here on the daily time frame. We're simply in a downtrend, but let's go down to our 4 time frame. Is we're still creating a story for us to trade, a story to put the odds of success in our favor. To the 4 time frame, as you can see, nice. Same, I start doing the same thing what I did in the daily, I do even here. We identify the peak formation to the triple top peak formation high. Price push down gave us a level 1 consolidation, a level 1 drop, a level 2 consolidation, a level 2 drop, and a new peak formation. Once price gave us this peak formation, price pushed to the upside, giving us a level 1 consolidation. But remember, we are mindful of what is happening on the daily time frame. So we know what we're expecting on this particular time frame. We're expecting price to push up to this region, certain points of interest. I mark using my strategies, using ICT, using market structure, using BTMM. But basically here I just marked there was a breakup block in this section. I will show you what a breakup block is, and I will show you how to trade it. There is also the Mayo, this moving average, approaching price, approaching this region, showing that it is a zone of interest, and we can see a likely reversal in this area. Is that clear, guys? Okay guys, let's go to our 1 hour time frame. So I don't like using the 1 hour to mark my levels. I prefer the 30-minute. It's a bit clearer for me. Okay guys. So the same thing happened. Same thing. We do the same thing over and over again. That's what one of my mentors told me, that whenever you want to be successful in an endeavor, maintain a consistent approach. You understand? So that you can get the same quality of you can get the same quality of results on a consistent basis, which leads to greatness. So I've recently adopted this myself. I won't lie. I've been struggling with my self-discipline here and there, but I'm actually getting the hang of it. So let's go to our peak formations. That's our peak formation low. Immediately after the peak formation low, price push to the upside gave us a level 1 consolidation, level 1 rise, level 2 consolidation, level 2 rise, level 3 consolidation, and then a level 3 manipulation, forming our peak formation high and a drop to the downside. But we would have expected price to continue going down. But why didn't it continue going down? It's because of what the higher time frame is saying, of what the 4-hour is saying. You understand? You have to use these time frames in harmony. I usually call them forex codes. They work in harmony. Once you learn how to use them in harmony, in resonance, I tell you, you'll be so accurate in predicting price direction. People will think that you are you're being told by the market makers before this move happens. So as I say, price was supposed to go down but didn't go down. We also identify that a reset has occurred and we're expecting price to continue pushing up. And I defined a reset on my previous video, but I never dived deep into it. I'll release a video explaining all these concepts into detail to give you at least an understanding of how I see, of how Kevin sees the charts, guys. So as you can see here, we had a peak formation high and we're expecting a reversal. But as you can see there, I highlighted, I usually, as I trade, I mark my Asian boxes, where the Asian session starts and where it ends. Usually when these boxes are in the same range like this, we can expect a reset in the market. And what is a reset, guys? That's a peak formation that's formed in line with the prior trend, just to continue moving in that direction. You understand? So here price and price came down and gave us this beautiful M, which was our manipulation, confirming our reset and showing that this peak formation which was formed here is likely to hold. So you could have bought here after the closure of this candle and put your stop loss here and just held the trade for another 3-day cycle. You understand? You can easily turn a short-term trade, a scalp trade, into a swing trade, just like that, with this understanding. You don't even need you don't even need trend lines, you don't even need support and resistance lines, you don't need certain chart patterns. All you need to do is understand the levels, understand how the market maker manipulates, understand how he operates around these moving averages, how he operates, how we can see it using the TDI. The TDI, guys, the TDI. This is just a game of confluence and staking odds to your favor and then just trading, just trading. So here we're expecting a move. We're now expecting a level 1 rise because we've had our level 1 consolidation. We're now expecting a level 1 rise, and I love it just because it has pinned the water. What is the water, guys? That's our 50 moving average, 50 EMA. It has pinned the water. Most retail traders are selling in this region because what do they believe, guys? They believe that once price closes below a moving average, the price has changed direction and people will be selling here, and once they are trapped, the market maker reverses the price. You see, that's the difference between you and me. That's how I move. That's how I use my moving averages. I don't use them to trade like you do. I use them for certain insights, for identifying liquidity, guys. You understand, guys? So this is where we got our entry on the 15-minute time frame. I want to explain how I got this entry to you guys. So as you can see here, price pushed, broke structure, indicating bullish momentum in the market. So we marked out our order block, as you can see here, this last down candle before this up move that broke structure, and we were waiting for confirmations as price got in this region. As price opened today, it came down, and at London open 9 o'clock Zimbabwean time, price pinned the Mayo, the 200 EMA, and gave us a beautiful divergence, as you can see there. See, so these are the confluences we have. Price came down to our order block. Price gave us a divergence. Price gave us an M pattern. Price gave us a reset, and this is a level 1. You see, the daily time frame, the 4-hour time frame is in a short-term uptrend. You see how you can stake confluences in your favor to trade. This is what I just mean, guys. So I'm currently in this trade, as you can see there. Where is it? Trade levels. Yes, I'm in the trade, as you can see there, and my TP is around that area, 1.32749. That's where my TP is, guys. So it's just simply that, guys. I hope you understood, and I hope you had a great time. This is your boy, and I'm signing out. So guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel to get constant feedback, to get constant content from my boy Kevin. Have a great week. Enjoy this pair, guys. This is my love from me to you guys. Thank you, guys. Have a great day.